Asli Garo's Autonomous District Council na sanction kapjo. Sanction kaptani zaman MDC kemana kan angna akan minipai itu dari
Minister was replying to the motion yesterday.
Niswing kepasakan tikon Changsathai Meghalaya News 24 channel ona ramchak sowa anga nijora marak aro yan dalni khoborang Basi chungkhugi jagpa mechak pisa kodra thlekani gaman reangpa mongobal salo nongphoni POCSO ba phokso khachari mauthatni MLA gacham aro Hinutrep National Liberation Council ba HNLC Bobal Dolni chairman gacham Julius Dorfangko basi kholgakpoana phatoko chpataha Ya Bichalko Riboy District to Special Judge Protection of Children from Sexual Offences ba POCSO FS Sangma Onaha Dorfang ni ukil Kishore CH Gautam ni aganani gatade ya Bichalko wamang Meghalaya High Court to dakalken Adok ni ongthelai gapa gamni namgani rangko rana de badang chiwalani chisan matgen ane skotong minister Pha Conrad K Sangma Mongobal Salo aganaha Badang chiwal gapa rangko thangdowatna aro wa mangna chol rangko onna sorkari khangkhare kha ane CM ni e-championship po seokkaman cohort 1 padang chiwal gapa rangni machotani aro cohort 2 rangko ramnapani 3 house song at gapa thopmanio skotong minister aganaha ya e-championship kata badang chiwalani ajao gisak nangi khamkha engapa chadam berangko makhang china rambana manenga aneba wa aganaha
We need to push entrepreneurship. And there were many reasons for it. I don't want to go into all of that. But point being that entrepreneurship is most probably the only way where we will be able to achieve high economic growth and overall increase in the levels of income, the per capita GDP, the overall GDP of the state, the exports, and all the other aspects, even the critical issue of livelihood and unemployment. All these are connected to entrepreneurship. There is a limitation to which government can work. Government has been and will always be a facilitator. The government will always ensure that we maintain the law and order, will provide infrastructure, will provide the basic social services. But government cannot be at the driving seat of economic growth. We will always be the facilitator for the economic growth, but it is the people who are present in this room who have to be the drivers.
Matna ode ungot hydroelectric project ko kale ya project na kapan chibi mako sandis khagen engapa khatha ko cabinet na rangen ane dakcha kapas kotong minister Preston Tinsong Joint Action Committee na Mongoba Salo khadmete aganaha
Today the committee from the Joint Action Committee under the chairmanship of Mr. Daloy Parwalamba, the Daloy of Darang Elaka. We came here to meet the Deputy Chief Minister, Deputy CM, regarding the issue about the Umwat project. So this project, as we have seen, that it's been a very long pending project, not yet decision given from the government. That's why today we came to meet the Deputy CM so that we want the clarity from the government. Is it the government would like to support us, or the government would like to go forward regarding this project? So we have raised our concern about the the impact in our livelihood regarding the especially about the employment. The employment, if you talk about the tourism activities, then most of the villages nowadays they depend on this river regarding their employment on tourism activities, and the farmers also. Many of the farmers, they need the land, For farmers, they need the land. Without the land, nothing. They can promote the farming. So that's why today we have given this information to the Deputy CM. So we are very glad today that Deputy CM has given us the assurance he said that from the government side, he will take very seriously to talk within the cabinet, so that this project, if possible, they would scrap it, and they will look for the alternative, river.
Dokapa schedule Ramnambatani Bitango KHADC ni MDC rang Mongobar Salo Tome Chanchir Maha Wamangni Chanchianyo KHADC o seat ke khola chisni khosan nangaya aro namdabatna ane chanchengpa ge sotpri ko nangja ane khupmongaha ane KHADC ni CEM Tito Starwell Chain aganaha.
Or the standing committee recommend for 40, but we are not agree with 40 seats. We have suggest our own numbers, that is 37, because there's a geographical problem, and another thing, there's a financial problem also, because it will bring financial burden to the council if there are so many MDC.
Kami ge chagaparangni namganina aro wamangko dalbate jumang nakatna ane skotong minister Conrad K Sangma adoko kama ge anirangko dalbatatna namanganiko akan halat roroinga. Sokarini focus program ni kata wa adok ni dengtang district rangko wenemang warangni kami ke chagaparang baksa agan kekinga je dakode wamang antang producers group ane dol bukote thangka paisa aro dengtang dakchakani rangko mangen aro ya adok sokari Meghalaya Basin Management Authority ba MBNA ni kata adoko aba chengataha MBMA kata kami ge chagaparang aro badang chiwal gaparang na ski onna adok kamakon prime hub rangko aba chengatenga ne skotong minister ampatio kami ge chagaparang baksa thomani aganaha
dalo chang thang program rangko ge kami chagaparang na chiga dalo aba chiga apa program rangko aro ye program rangko ni ya focus program dalo chekon Sungai dan semakut sangat alok kamat ya fokus program ini bisa nampak kepa program yang apa wala ni fokus ya fokus program mana mai agar betul tersebut dan pakpatan sini kami cakap pada bat sini producer group rang mana producer group yang akan kami cakap pada apa आज की बीच में ग्रुप रंगी वीविंग ग्रुप रंगा माताई के या अक्सर लोग कैटेगरी का आके बाजू की फूड प्रोसेसिंग का ग्रुप रंगा या अक्सर कैटेगरी का आके
Reanggapa August Chibonga Tariko Masina Manku Gijagapa Chadam Berangni Police Rangoniko Sectrai Ranggapa INSAS Rifle Ge Gatamko Waumkra Chirangoniko Sombar Salo Manplaha Yani Bidango Chitikungsa o Bimangri Uyatahatam Rebaing kapa September 7 tariko ni adokni school aro college rangko khulipilna adokni education department maksonginga yani bidango skotong minister ni deleng kapa committee on reopening of schools and colleges na wamang siachi uyataha bida onram biap rangko mai dake khuligen warangko department thari somanaha Cherish Terfil ni noktangni mandera inquiry report ko sengenga ane HSPDP ni MLA aro cabinet minister Renington Lingto thongkar uyataha
are satisfied with the step taken by the government with regard to law and order situation in the state of Meghalaya. We are all concerned about the situation that are prevailing here in the state of Meghalaya, but we appreciate also the step taken by the government. The government has taken prompt action to constitute a judicial inquiry, which is an independent inquiry. And we have full faith in this inquiry that the truth will come out. So we appreciate the step taken by the government, and the government is very serious in this matter, very serious, to see that peace and normalcy come back to the state. And I'm happy to see that in these last few days, nothing happened, and we see the calmness of the people. And I must put on record our appreciation from the party towards the family of Cherish. Thank you. They have expressed their willingness to wait for the report of this judicial inquiry. And they have also requested the people of the state, in the state of Meghalaya, not to bring any more agitation for this matter.
Niam rongdak ni do kapa schedule ni para chigani A B yo thari dape do kapa schedule on ap kapa biap rango ma mung ni niam rangko ragatani ko champeng na tokna bill on china ma mung sorkari ko didina official resolution ragachina ane MDS sorkari na thisena Hill State People's Democratic Party by HSPDP tikaha.
The need of the hours to amend the para 12AB while amending the schedule of the Constitution of India. We have seen in the newspaper within these 2-3 days back, the Honorable Chief Minister of the day informed the people of the state, informed the district council that the process to collect information and suggestion from the state is still going on. So from the party, since we have submitted many letters and memorandums, the need to amend the particulars, paragraph 12AB to the Constitution of India by inserting the name, the words president in the 12th AB to the Constitution of India,
by inserting the word governor
and inserting by the words governor in its place.
President.
So that is our demand from the party, so that it will empower, the state government. Because as of now, the government of the day, we don't have much power or legislation power to legislate, especially to protect the uniqueness of our culture, to protect or to legislate the so-called land tenure system in our state. For example, we have seen that in the recent years, the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly had passed 2 important laws, legislation like exemption of the MMDR Act of 1957, so that it will enable the state to take a call or to legislate while using and legislating, like, the property, the mineral sources of our state. But as of now, we don't have that power. So we request the government of the day to take a final call that our suggestion from the party to be considered, if acceptable, to take it as the official resolution of the government resolution of the state and to send it to the government of India.
Garo Hills BJP ni ki sepo tengtang rekani rang dal roinga ha Meghalaya BJP ni adok ni phadot BJP MDC promote coach ni bidengo dol ni disciplinary committee baksa agan kerken ani ueta ha Adita Salrangs Khang adok ni dalgaparang ni khatako mani gija GHADC on NPP ni dalengpa EC baksa pakramani kaman MDC coach na Meghalaya BJP showcase notice on hacham.
We have taken up this matter with our disciplinary action committee, and they have advised me to show cause him, which he has already given the show cause. Also, he has answered the show cause notice. Then next step, then he'll go again to the committee. We have to refer this his written thing to the disciplinary committee. Then we'll see in later stage what action to be taken against him.
Garo Hills ne dengtang NGO rang All Garo Hills Joint Action Committee by AGHJAC ne kumongani dolko bakote reangapa August kolgak tariko Port, Shipping and Waterways aro Ayush ni Union Home Minister Sabananda Sonowal ko New Delhi grongya ha wamang uko grongen ba Garo Hills so Central Ayush Medical College ko khuli chinagta memorandum one don baha
Bokang pa salongia da bokang pa minister ko jian Sarbananda Sonowal jian ating central minister ngia jian portfolio Ayush shipping aro waterways ko renga cham dal bin baksa memorandum gi sako na ha je ko je rapori singa ating Garo Hills pa ating Meghalaya na Ayush ni kita mai ko dak china ta ba Ayush me ko rang china ta ko nam dapat na ta singa dal All Garo Hills Joint Action Committee kita memorandum ko na ha Nekene yan bokang pasalongi ha, cina dekan tang Union Minister ko grong ha, aro cina kadunga, cini dal gronging lupa, cing ba kamrang soken nem kasi kadunga.
Riboy district ni umlepar songo Meghalaya ni chadam berangko Assam police tuke watatani asel Assam Meghalaya sima arijolo so jengjeng wanirang chauba thaya ha khobor manswani gatade Assam police outpost songen ba garirangko check khana ba chengenga ha Meghalaya ni chadam berang ko doke watatana songni manderang janma rebai wa mangni banggija salrang khang songgpa outpost ko pe egalia ha Talni khoborang de yarangsa niso kapa sakanti konseng paksa ngahanina mathela ya khoborang ni gaman thalbate winners code chungni website meghalayanews24.com oni ko phorena mangge sakanti anak thang simsakpo aro khato de mask rang ko kanphabo una agreba sokari ni donso guman niam rang ko jarak phabo krongthai jakuna khangkhang plaktan angni nambe gapa salam ko na mathela